Welcome to our channel. Today I will set up Go programming language which is made by Google. Concept to address the challenges of modern software development. Go merits efficiency, simplicity, and concurrency support. It it its clean syntax, strong performance, and built-in support for concurrent programming made it a favorite among developers. Okay, let's jump to the process. Browser Firefox, then type Golang. Golang. Click on it. Then download and install. Click on it. Then here we'll see download option and here Linux, Mac, Windows. Those operating system here. Open in new tab. You have to do open a new tab. Then here you can see all release. If you download it on your Linux machine, then you have to choose Linux AMD 64 tar.gz and it will take 64 MB of space. It's downloading. It will take a couple of minutes. It depends on your internet broadband, how is speed of this. You see it's downloading and it's completed. Here you have to open the terminal, then put a command cd, then ls. Here you will see the downloads option, cd downloads. You have to put the downloads commands here. Okay, there is upper and lowercase mistake, I think. So what can you do? You can copy the downloads option from the right click of your mouse, then cd paste here. You have to paste this and then here command ls so that you can find the Golang which is downloaded before. Okay, so then you have to choose the mousepad dot zshrc. After type this command, you have to press enter, then you can see this like a interface. This is mousepad interface. So here we have to do is it's got a don't save. Okay, do don't save. Here again type the mousepad z-src, then you will see this like of interface. and you have to put a path here, which I will give you in the description. You can copy from there and you have to put down. Here we'll see 258. Skip some lines. Here I am. Here GOPATH. Here you see GOPATH. I am copying it. Right click on your mouse to copy. Then skip some lines. Then do paste. Okay. Then save it. Then here you have to type source.zshrc, but there nothing happened because we have to do something else. So do cd downloads. Go to this directory, do ls. Here you will see the file which you downloaded. Then you have to copy this again and back to the terminal, and here you have to paste this command and press enter. It's already done. Here you can check. I will give you the path, okay, on the description, so you can collect the right path. Okay, it's done. Then you have to type mousepad.zhsrc. Here we'll see the blank sheet. So then now if you command go, then it will work. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.